Hello my friends, this is Mariana Crawford and today I'm going to be trying to recreate the makeup look that Crystal Clear Makeup did with the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm going to be going through her video and mimicking what she did. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a tag that's been going around on YouTube and everybody's going crazy recreating these type of looks and they're so much fun to watch. I've watched a few, and one of my favorite people, makeup tutorial people, is Crystal Clear Makeup. She does the really good like short videos on Instagram and her videos on YouTube. Her makeup is always on point, and I kind of wanted to recreate one of her looks using my favorite palette, which is the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I hope you guys keep on watching. So the first thing I want to do is just, let you guys know who I am. My name is Mariana Crawford, and this is Glam MC and the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it. Subscribe to my channel if you like my stuff. I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up. So I'm going to be going, I'm going to start her video. And in her video, it's like a 4-minute and 19-second video. So it goes pretty fast. So I'm going to be stopping and going. And I'm going to start right now. The video is Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette tutorial and giveaway. So I'm going to start it now. So she's taking a makeup wipe and wiping her face with it. And I'm going to pause. Right when the Stila, she's showing a Stila thing, but I'm going to go ahead and wipe my face first. And to wipe my face and clean my face, I'm going to be using this. This is the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water, and this is the Shiseido Square Cotton. And I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my face. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with, I'm going to use this one. This is the Cover FX Anti-Aging Primer. And it's kind of like a serum, so I want to use a little bit of a hydrator, and then use my Murad for oil control. Kind of nervous. I really hope this look comes out really nice. I'll go ahead and start with the Murad. This is awesome. This is the oil control mattifier. When I put this on, my makeup at the end of the day looks so good, and also the oil is completely under control, and that's what I'm looking for. So I make sure to put it in my T-zone the most and spread it out. Alright, so next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to press play to see what she does next. She puts her foundation on. She uses stick foundation. I don't use stick foundation. I'm going to use my FENTY Beauty Primer with my Kabuki F87 Sigma brush. Alright, let's press play. She's putting on her concealer. Next, press play. She's doing her contouring. I'm going to be using my Making Faces beauty book. It's a powder contour. I don't have cream contour, and because of her, I want to try cream contour. She makes it look so easy, and she always contours her face so well. I love the way she does her contour. And then she follows up with a little bit of powder under the eye. So I'm going to go ahead and start. a little bit, so I'm going to take that one, put that on the apples. Okay. Now highlight, so I'll go ahead and highlight. I'm going to use my Mary Lou Luminizer. Bridge of my nose. She does one of these things. Okay, so then, you know, I don't know what she's trying to do. Concealer. I'm going to do this one. She's taking creamsicle up here. Okay, so she changes her brush and she uses like a Sigma E25 and she deepens up that crease with the brown on both sides and she just deepens it up a lot. Okay, I'm stopping where Pool Party it goes into effect. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit more of this brown. Okay, just a little bit. Just a little bit, dun, dun, dun. Okay, so now I'm going to take my E25 and take this one. And blend this out a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to take that brown mocha. Okay, now that brown needs to go all around on the sides. I love mocha. Mocha is my favorite. I love her. Okay, next. So now she does, with her finger, she puts Pool Party. Ooh, the glitter. Lashes. Next lashes. Okay, so she's putting this one. It's like a purple. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.